Hello kids! In this video you will be learn animals vocabulary in English. Lion. This is a lion. Tiger. This is a tiger. Elephant. This is an elephant. Zebra. This is a zebra. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Fox. This is a fox. Bear. This is a bear. Wolf. This is a wolf. Monkey. This is a monkey. Rhino. This is a rhino. Hippo. This is a hippo. Polar bear. This is a polar bear. Gorilla. This is a gorilla. Snake. This is a snake. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Panda. This is a panda. Camel. This is a camel. Rat. This is a rat. Bat. This is a bat. Lizard. This is a lizard. Cat. This is a cat. Horse. This is a horse. Bull. This is a bull. Koala. This is a koala. Llama. This is a llama. Jaguar. This is a jaguar. Cheetah. This is a cheetah. Chameleon. This is a chameleon. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Goat. This is a goat. Dog. This is a dog. Alligator. This is an alligator. Blue whale. This is a blue whale. Crab. This is a crab.